Hello, everybody. Today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic uh, known as pesticides. Before discussing this topic, I just want to elaborate some things which might you know, but it is better to discuss right now here. Uh, what is a pest? An organism such as insects, weeds, microorganisms, fungi, bacteria, rodents, nematodes, etc., that causes economic loss or damage to a physical well-being of the human beings is known as pest. It may damage and destroy our crops, causes disease in them and also in human beings. Pests are considered as greatest enemies of modern agriculture. According to estimate, 30% of agricultural productivity is lost because of the pest. Many fungi, weeds, insects, nematodes, and rodents works as pests. What is pesticides? Pest, as you know, pest is the animal and side is the killer. Any chemical that kill or repel a pest is pesticide. In addition to various chemical pesticides, various living organisms is utilized to destroy the undesirable microorganisms. They are known as biopesticides. Pesticides can also be classified on the basis of nature of organisms as they control. These are chemical pesticides. On the basis of the chemical nature, pesticides has been classified into different categories. Number one is the organocolorines. These are chlorinated hydrocarbons. The common example are DDT, BSC, heptachar, heptachlor, DDE, chloroden, linden, endosulfan, eldrin, etc. DDT is the most famous pesticide of the world. BSC is sold under the name of the gamaxine or linden is the most important pesticide. Organochlorides decomposes very slowly, hence they accumulate in the environment. Second one is the organophosphates. Organic acids such as phosphoric acid, thiophosphoric acid, and other phosphoric acids such as malathion, parathion, trithion, ethion, TEPP, etc. Malathion is the most widely used organophosphate and is important ingredient of the flint. Organophosphates works on the central nervous system, inhibiting its normal function, resulting in the convulsions, paralysis, and death. The third one is the carbamates, organic esters of carbonic acid such as carbyl, carbafurane, aldicarb, propoxur, etc. Methyl isocyanate gas, which caused the Bhopal gas tragedy in 1984, is used in the manufacture of carbyl. The fourth one is the pyrethroids. They are the synthetic derivatives of pyrethene obtained from the Chrysanthemum cinereifolium. The last one is in this category is the triazine. These are the derivatives of urea, for example, cyazines and triazines. Pesticides inhibit the metabolism of organisms, retard the photosynthesis in plants. Most of the pesticides are non-degradable and accumulated in the environment and thereby accumulating through the food chain. in the in the food chain. It is due to the fact that they are the insoluble in the fat of animals in body of the fish. DDT has been found in to be accumulated up to 1,000 1 lakh times more than in water in which the fish lives. This is called biomagnification or bioconcentration. The second category of the is the biopesticides. Biopesticides include the natural predator of the pest. Biological control of the pest involves the bioherbicides, bioinsecticides, etc. Bioherbicides, utilization of insect which would need this selectively on a weed, for example, Catacoblast catotum is the conial insect feed upon the Opuntia. Bioinsecticides, it includes the following pathogens, parasites, or predators. A number of harmful insects pesticides are controlled by other insects, diseases, parasites, are predators. The ladybugs, frogs, lizards, birds are used by man to eat the insect pest. Sterilization. Sterilization male insects are released at the time of the maturity to compete the fertile male. Insect hormones, that is also known as pheromones. These are the hormones which attack the male insects. The male are attracted by these traps and are not available for the reproduction. Confusion technique. Some peppers soaked in any sex attractant and are spread in the cropped field. The males are not able to locate the female. Natural insecticide. Azadirachta indica contain the insect repellent azadirachtin which repel the some insects. Bacillus thuringiensis, a bacteria, produces a protein toxin called Furosido, which ingest the insects, flies, mosquitoes, beetles and kill them. Uh, and the last one is the rotinones. These are obtained from the roots of the Daris elliptica, which kills the insects. This is all about the pesticides. In the next class, we will discuss on some other topic. Thank you.